please go to the board and make the line. Please go to the board. Okay, now I will give it to Lance. You have to, you can't see the words, so you have to translate into Kazakh language. Yes? Okay, please say it quickly. Okay, let's start with Arjan. Arjan, let's start. Please read. This one. Which word?
Boxing.
Boxing, yes? In Kazakh? In Kazakh, what's that? Box. Great, next. Great, the next.
Bowling.
Bowling.
Swimming.
Swimming, great.
Dance.
Karate, great, the next. Great.
Ice skating. Bowling.
Great.
Badminton.
Great job. Great job. Great. Okay. Let's do like this one. Now I will divide you into 3 groups by the program, yes? Okay, let's start. The first group, please sit here. Nursery, Bolat, Rahat, Amina, please sit here. The first group has to go. Okay, the next second group is Agilin, Matya, Angele, Yerjan, and Riyaz. Please go to the second group. Okay, the third group will be Nurmol, Barlan, Beret, Arjan, and Asle. Please go to the third group. Safe place. Let's open your books. Okay. Okay, great. Page number 105. Great job. Okay, let's listen to the recording. Let's start.
It is a special football tournament for teenagers under 17 years old. Teams from many different countries take part, from China to Serbia and Spain. It's a great event to visit if you want to spot the football stars of the future.
Okay, well, we'll start with first group. Okay, let's start the reading. Okay, please start.
Every summer, a France tennis competition takes place at Wimbledon, London, UK. Amazing place, some for all over the world and very famous. On places markers on center.
That's all. Next block.
Ice from good Wimbledon. Apart from the
Exciting
tennis matches, you can visit coffee shop and restaurants or
Takeaway.
pick.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Next, please, Mr. Levy.
Purple drink around 300.
3,000.
3,500.
500.
And Spain. It's a great event to visit if you want to spot the football stars of the future.
Okay, great job. Okay, let's read one here. Yes, every summer.
You can visit coffee shops and restaurants or buy a takeaway picnic. People drink around 350 of tea and coffee at Wimbledon.
Great job. Next, Bolot.
The President Cup takes place every year in Iran at the Astana Arena, Kazakhstan. It is a special football tournament for trainers under 17 years old. Teams from
Next, and we understand about the sports. Yes. Now we'll make a poster. This way, this one. Second task will be 2 questions for each group. Now I will give it to you. Posters. Please take away your books and copybooks. Take away. Okay, take away. Let's wait, I will give it to you in the posters. Okay, let's do like this one. Look at. First will be pictures about sport. I give it to you 2 questions and the theme of today's lesson. Okay, please let's do it. Okay, that's all. Come on. Okay, please read.
How old are the players in the President Cup?
Let's read.
It is a special football tournament for teams under 17 years old.
Great job, please read next.
How many cups of tea and coffee drink at Wimbledon? People drink around 350,000 cups of tea and coffee.
Okay, coffee, yes? Okay, let's read it. Please sit down. I will mark your group. Okay, you have worked well. I will give it to you. Okay, please come sit down. I'll give it to you. 3. And I will give it to you. 3. Okay, please, second group, please go to the board. 2 students, only 2 students. Okay, please read. I did it.
Where can you buy food and drink at
Wimbledon.
You can buy food and drink at Wimbledon in coffee shop restaurant.
Great. Next.
Where does the President Cup take place?
the President Cup takes
Place.
every
Year.
year in June.
June. Okay, well, great. Please sit down. Correct. Where? Let's read. Okay, Natalia, please read.
Where is Wimbledon? Purple drink, rose.
Okay, guys, look at this one. This is correct. No, yes, this is a mistake. The question is another and the answer is another. Okay, who wants to answer? Okay, do let's pick.
Wimbledon. Wimbledon is London, UK.
Great, it's in London, UK. This is a mistake. You haven't made a mistake. Next question.
Pals very much on weekend center sort. Amazing place from all over the world and very fans of on legends much on center sort.
Okay, sit down. You got the mistakes. Sit down. Okay, let's sit down. Okay, you got the minor mistakes. This is good for you. What is your favorite sport? Yes? Let's answer this question. Let's start with the circle. I want to start. Okay, what's your favorite sport? Asılbek,
My favorite sport.
please. What's your favorite sport?
My favorite is
Sport? Huh?
basketball.
Basketball. Great.
My
Yes.
favorite sport is basketball.
Great, sit down. You, Mama?
My favorite sport is cycling.
Great, sit
My
down.
favorite sport is football.
Great, sit down. You?
My favorite sport is
Yes.
football. My favorite sport is tennis.
Great.
My favorite sport is boxing.
My favorite sport is cricket. My favorite sport is volleyball.
My favorite sport is basketball.
Great. No,
My
Sonia?
favorite sport is volleyball.
Great, you? My
My favorite sport
is?
volleyball. My favorite sport is football.
Great job. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay, this kind of cards, yes? Okay, please take quickly. Please take. Okay, please go to support and take. This kind of cards. Here the missing words. You have to complete and then take here, yes? Okay. Take. 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Quickly, let's go. Okay, what's your word?
Different countries.
Different countries. Great. Okay, please put. Okay, please take. Take. No. Okay, please go.
President
Cup. Okay, great. The next one. Okay, please go quickly. Who's the next?
Tennis match.
Tennis match. Great, take. The next.
Sport.
Great, give it to me. Take one.
Wimbledon.
Wimbledon. Okay. Okay. Match. Great, take please. The next. Competition, yes? Great, correct one. Please take. Okay, the next.
Every year.
Every year, great, please take. The next one quickly. Tournament, please take 1 star. Okay, please let's go. Quickly. Who's left? Who's left where?
Restaurant.
Restaurants, great. Please take. Okay, here. Okay.
Championships.
Championship. Please take. Take away. Picnic. Great job. Please take. Take. Okay, Natalia, please read. Great. Cups of tea. Yes, please take one. That's all. Who has left? Okay, who has left? You have finished it? Yes. You have finished it? All of them. Okay, please quickly. Okay, who is it? Say it, please. Quickly. Okay, please. Okay, Anya, please read. What do you read?
I like the lesson and I like the test.
Okay, great. Please read.
I like the lesson.
Great. Okay, Bolat, please read.
I love I love lesson. I love mirrors.
Okay, great. Okay.
I like lesson. I like self-assessment.
Great. Okay, Nicole.
I like lesson. I like exercise 1 and self-assessment sheet.
Okay, great job. Yesha.
I like the lesson.
Great.
I like text and where are you? Lesson. I like
Exercise 1.
You.
I like lesson. I like exercise 1. I like.
Great. Okay, Asmik.
I like lesson. I like exercise 1 and self-assessment sheet.
Great job, please go to support. Okay, please you.
I love my lesson. I like the exercise 1. I like the self-assessment.
B. Yes, okay, great. Block. Wait, Bolat.
It's my favorite lesson and I like asking. Thank you, Mr.
Okay. Next, please choose the left. Okay, read it. Okay. Okay, which one? Okay, who's left? Everyone says. Okay, then please read right. Okay, you like this one? Okay, please look at me. Okay, please stand up, all the students. Let's repeat one more time our today's keywords. Okay, let's say competition, take place, match, sport, okay, one more time. Only 2 or 3. Students, let's take this one. Please, show me your self-assessment sheets. Correct. And now you have to read their sites. Yes? Okay, please read one. How many? Okay, please you.
I understood the note and completed the assignment.
Assignments. Great. Let's you.
I
Okay, no, this one. I
I have been working and I press 0.
Great job to you. No, this one.
I did
Homework. Great, sit down.
I have been
Working.
on a
Release. Great, sit down. Roger.
I engineered topic and completed the
Assignments. Great, sit down. You.
I have been working at previous 0.
Okay, how do you like computers? Let's say one more time. Okay. Okay.
I do like the lamp.
The lamp. Okay, great.
I like a lamp.
Great. Who else? Okay.
I like exercise 2.
Great.
I like self-assessment sheet.
Self-assessment sheet.
I like exercise 1.
Exercise 1. Great. You.
I like exercise 1.
Great. You.
I like the lesson. I like text and the lesson.
What about the text today? About sport. Yeah. Great, Arjun.
I like exercise.
You please.
I like poster.
Great.
I like exercise 1. I like one.
Okay, let's repeat the types of the sports. What kind of types of sports do you know? Okay.
Hockey,
Hockey. basketball, tennis, badminton, cycling, football, cricket,
water polo,
karate,
water polo,
water polo, volleyball, swimming. Okay, great job. Boxing. You?
Handball.
Handball.